Few shapes in automotive history make the world stop. Few machines leave people silent, just staring. And only one British car has ever earned a title whispered across generations: the most beautiful car ever made. This is the story of the Jaguar E-Type, a legend shaped by science, racing, and the mind of a quiet genius. Welcome to Flight Drive Fusion, where jets, engines, and iconic machines come alive. From the skies to the streets, we explore everything that moves fast. Powerful cars, legendary aircraft, and the evolving world of aviation. If it roars, flies, or races, you'll find it here. Buckle up, enjoy the transformation, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more high-octane content. Behind the E-Type's unforgettable shape was a man most people have never heard of: Malcolm Sayer. He wasn't a stylist. He wasn't chasing trends. He was an aircraft engineer, someone who believed that beauty could be calculated. Sayer came from the world of aviation, where every curve has purpose. He brought that same logic to Jaguar, using mathematics and airflow principles to design cars that didn't just look fast. They cut through the air. Before the E-Type ever reached the public, Sayer had already designed the C-Type and D-Type, cars that dominated at Le Mans. Their success proved that his method worked, a perfect blend of shape, speed, and science. But something bigger was coming. A new machine, one meant for the road, yet worthy of the racetrack. Before the icon came the experiments. The first was E1A. E1A was never shown to the public. It was smaller than the final E-Type, a hidden test bed built to study aerodynamics, structural strength, and how Sayer's calculations behaved in the real world. It wasn't built for style. It was built to answer questions, and it proved that Jaguar was heading towards something extraordinary. Then came E2A, stronger, faster, and designed with one mission: to race. E2A carried the lessons of E1A, but it pushed them harder. It went to Le Mans, where it revealed flashes of brilliance and exposed the final tweaks Jaguar needed before building a world-changing road car. E2A was the turning point, the last big experiment before a legend stepped into the light. Geneva. The moment the Jaguar E-Type appeared, the world reacted instantly. Editors sprinted to the show floor. Photographers ran out of film. Orders poured in. Enzo Ferrari looked at it once and said, "This is the most beautiful car ever made." The long bonnet, the covered headlights, the flowing lines. The E-Type redefined what a sports car could be. And with a top speed around 150 miles per hour, unheard of at its price, Jaguar didn't just make a beautiful car, they made a performance breakthrough. But the E-Type didn't stay frozen in time. It evolved. The first update was the 4.2-liter version, offering smoother power and easier everyday driving, without losing the iconic shape. Then came the lightweight E-Type, built almost entirely from aluminium, a pure racing machine. These cars are now among the most valuable Jaguars on Earth. Next came the Series 1.5, a transitional version shaped by changing safety rules. After that, the Series 2 appeared, with bigger lights, better cooling, and improved brakes, a more refined take on the original design. Jaguar even tried something new, a 2+2 model, with a longer roofline and room for small rear seats, making the E-Type a grand touring machine. And finally, the Series 3. Powered by a smooth, powerful V12 engine, it marked the last chapter of the E-Type story and the start of its legend. Although it was born for the road, the E-Type never forgot its racing roots. Private drivers took the car to tracks all over the world. It fought against Ferraris, Aston Martins, Porsches, and held its own with style and speed. The E-Type never replaced the D-Type at Le Mans, but as a GT racer, it earned respect everywhere it went. Today, more than 60 years later, the E-Type remains a symbol of pure automotive beauty. Restorers bring them back to life. Collectors chase them across continents. Crowds still gather just to watch one start. Designers continue trying to recreate its magic, yet none have matched it. The Jaguar E-Type isn't simply a car. It's emotion shaped by engineering, mathematics turned into art, and a reminder of what can happen when brilliance meets bravery. And at the heart of it all is Malcolm Sayer, the quiet mind who created a masterpiece. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more stories from the skies and the streets.